friends, today's story is called Sea Life. It's time for kids. It's a time for kids book. And the author is Dona Herweck. Now there's no illustrator because you'll notice it's not a painting or a drawing, it's a photograph. So they took photographs of ocean and sea life for you to see. Now let's go back to the glossary. It's a little different today. This glossary doesn't have words that tell you what they mean. It shows you. So it shows you what an anglerfish looks like. It shows you what sea urchins look like. It shows you what a coral reef looks like. It shows you what seaweed looks like. There's a crab and a shark. And this is just the sea. I notice a turtle, there's a sea turtle in it, but it's just saying the sea. And there's a starfish and a seahorse and a whale. So let's go back and start our story and see what it's going to tell us about sea life. Many animals and plants live in the sea. Seahorses live in shallow water. They hold on to seaweed. Do you see his tail holding on down here? Crabs live in shallow water too. Starfish live in tide pools. So do sea urchins. They are both small creatures that come and go with the tides. Whales can dive deep, but they are mammals. Ooh, we talked about mammals last week, do you remember? Mammals have to come up for air. Anglerfish can live in the deep sea. Each anglerfish has a fin with its own light. See its fin with its own light? Little fish try to eat the anglerfish, then the anglerfish eats them. Sharks do not live in one place. They swim all over. They are always looking for fish to eat. Many sea animals live near coral reefs. I bet this reminds you of a fish in a movie. The coral has many places where animals can hide. Plants live in the sea too. There are many kinds of seaweeds there. So it shows you several different kinds of seaweeds. Forests of sea plants grow from the ocean bottom to the light above. Did you know there were plants growing down in the ocean? It's very interesting. Hope you learned something new about sea life today. Have a great day.